Your business will fail if you do not do this. Some people are starting a business or are running a business without being serious in what they're doing. And this is the reason why most business are failing. So if you want to run a successful business, or if you want to start and run a successful business, then this is what you need to do. Number one, identify your why, or have a strong why. You need to identify why you are starting this business, or why you want this business to succeed, or why you need this business to grow for you to make more money. So know why you want to make money on this business. Know why you need to make profit on this business. This will make you to stay focused and continue investing in that business, even if at that moment it's not bringing you any outcome or any good thing at the moment. But when you identify the why you are starting that business, or why you need to continue fighting for that business, then it will give you motivation to continue investing in that business. Then number two, set goals or have targets. When you don't have goals, or when you don't set targets for your business, then you set to fail, because setting goals is like planning. So, and a failure to plan, then is definitely planning to fail. So you need to set goals and the amount of time that you need to achieve that goal. So even if at that moment you do not qualify, or you do not achieve that goal, then as a result you'll have achieved some personal growth, or your business could have just achieved something. Even if the goal that you intend to achieve, you didn't qualify, but when you consistently do the thing that you want to do for you to achieve that goal, then you definitely improve. If it's not personal, then in business you definitely improve. Maybe in profit or production, something will have improved in your business even without hitting your target. Number three, invest in yourself. For your business to grow, you must also grow as an individual. Also, try to seek ways on how to improve yourself. Learn new skills. If you want to venture into new ideas, you must first of all improve yourself first before you improve your business. So, for example, if you want to venture into online content creation, you must first of all learn how to create content, learn how to do things, because most people business right now are going online or have online presence. So if you want to venture into online content creation for your business, then you need first of all to learn those new things. Invest on yourself first of all before you invest on the business. This will help you to be able to also if you are not going to run the things yourself, it will help you to oversee even other activities, how they are being run. When you improve yourself, or when you know how to do something, then even those people who you employ on your business to do the things that you want them to do, they'll be able to do them perfectly, because you also will be able to monitor them with adequacy and knowledge on how to run them. And this will limit chances of errors, and this will also improve on your business. Number four, have the right association, or choose the right company. When starting a business or when running a business, you need to choose those you are associating with. When you work with four foolish people or five foolish people, you'll be the sixth one. When you work with five millionaires, you'll be the sixth millionaire. So when choosing the people that you interact with, just know that those people will influence positively or negatively on your business. So try to choose mentors. Try to choose those people who are going to make you accountable on your business. They will make you to they will influence on the way you run your business. They will influence on the way you treat your clients. They will influence greatly on how you attend to your business. So when choosing your association, try to choose those people who can bring positive impact on your business, but not those who are going to bring negative impact on your business. So another important thing is to choose your association right. Then number five, you need to have belief. You need to believe on yourself, and you need to believe on the business. First of all, you need to believe on yourself that you can run the business, you can run a successful business. And then number two, you need to believe that the business is going to be successful. If you don't believe on yourself that you're going to run the business, then there's no way that the business is going to be successful, because you also lose hope on running the business. Also, another thing, you need to believe that the business is going to work, the business is going to boom one day, even if at the moment the business is slow. But when you believe on the business, that the business is going to be successful, then you'll be willing to put on more effort, you'll be willing to put on or to work on the business and ensure that the business becomes a success. And then another thing, quit laziness, quit procrastination, and will take your business to a higher level. So if you find this video educative, kindly like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. Let's meet on the next video.